Grammar is so important. It's good to revise the concept once again. So we saw that whatever the word that we use instead of a noun is a pronoun, right? So we are going to see about pronoun. Okay, children, type in the text box. I want to hear from you. What is a pronoun? Kindly give me the answer. Come on, type in the chat box. He, she, it. You're right, Purnesh. Purnesh, but tell me. Okay. Kindly click at the Q&A option, Purnesh. Okay. I want to ask you why he, she, it are called as pronouns. What is the reason?
A name used in place of noun.
Very good. Very good. High five, Purnesh. You're right. Thank you. So,
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, dear. So, instead of using a name again and again, we will use some words. For example, he, she, it. It may be the name of a person or a place or an animal or a thing. Okay, it is called pronoun. Now let me check some of your knowledge in pronoun. Let me call Apurva.
Yes, ma'am. It's Manasa. Manasa?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
Manasa.
Manasa, ma'am is calling you.
Now tell me what is a pronoun?
Ma'am, she, he.
Okay, why he, she are called as pronouns?
Because there is man and girl.
Okay. But we can use their name, right? Why we are calling he, she? Can you explain? Children, those who still don't know the definition of pronoun or still didn't understand pronoun, kindly let me know in the chat box. I will explain you once again.
Pronoun.
Okay, shall I tell you, Apurva?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, I'm telling Apurva is a girl. Apurva studies in second standard. Apurva is a good girl. Apurva has 5 friends. Apurva doesn't like to go play in the park. So, how many times I used your name, Apurva, Apurva, again and again, isn't it? Yes? Somebody is calling me. Ma'am, your voice is too low. Very low. No, ma'am. It's like you are talking from a far away place.
Ma'am, her name is Manasa, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry. Okay. Manasa. Okay. Sorry, dear. Okay. Okay. So Manasa is a good girl. Manasa is going to school. Manasa has 5 friends. Manasa likes to sing. Manasa likes to dance. So how many times I am telling Manasa, Manasa again and again? Am I right? Yes, Manasa? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You can talk now. Yes. So instead of using your name again and again and again, I can just use Apurva is a good girl. She likes to go to school. She have 5 friends. So I can use the word she. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's so those words we use instead of telling a name again and again and again is called pronouns. Okay, Manasa?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Now do you understand what is meant by a pronoun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, thank you, dear. Thank you, Manasa. Now, children, anyone don't understand pronouns yet? Please let me know in the chat box. So, I guess everyone knows. So, let me pick some of you and ask you questions. Who's Akshaya? Akshaya, please click at the Q&A option. The name is like Anbu and Akshaya. Please click in the Q&A option, dear. Yes. Akshaya, please tell me what is meant by a pronoun. I unmuted you, but yeah. I unmuted you, Akshaya. Wait. Can you speak now? I unmuted you.
I don't understand, ma'am.
You didn't understand. Okay. Okay, dear. If you don't understand, please ask. Okay, don't keep quiet. Okay, Akshaya?
Okay, ma'am.
So, can you tell any one noun, name of a place or person or an animal or a thing? Anything, any noun. Can you tell?
She park.
A little bit louder.
He, it,
No, dear. A noun. I'm asking about a naming word. That is a noun. What is meant by a noun? Akshaya? I need you to explain like that. Okay, please. Come on. Do you want me to explain or do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
You know. So can you tell me? So what do you want me to do? Should I explain? Akshaya? Akshaya, please turn on your video. Why you're not replying? Come on, whatever I'm asking, you answer me fast. Okay? Because we have limited time, right? I have to ask questions to more children. Yes, Akshaya, do you know what is meant by a noun? What is a noun? Shall I tell you?
I don't know, ma'am.
Person or a place or an animal or a thing. What is your name, Akshaya?
Person.
What?
Akshaya.
Akshaya. So Akshaya is a name, right? Am I right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Akshaya is your name. So naming word is a noun. So
Okay.
dairy milk is a name of a chocolate. So dairy milk is a noun. Do you understand, Akshaya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So instead of using a noun again and again and again, we use some other words. For example, dairy milk is a chocolate. Dairy milk tastes good. Dairy milk is my favorite chocolate. Dairy milk is what I buy when I go to shop. Dairy milk is brown in color. So how many times I am telling dairy milk? It's not nice to hear again and again dairy milk, dairy milk, dairy milk, isn't it? So I can use the word it instead of the name dairy milk, instead of the noun dairy milk. So dairy milk is a nice chocolate. It is brown in color. It is my favorite chocolate. Okay. Do you understand, dear? Now,
Ma'am.
Akshaya. So can you explain in your own words what is meant by pronoun?
Place. Thing. Animal. Person.
That is a noun. Animal or a person is a noun. Okay. What is a pronoun?
Akshaya.
Can you see the screen? Something is written.
Akshaya is a girl. She is studying the second standard.
Okay. Okay. Why do you use she?
Good.
Instead of using your name Akshaya, you use she. Is that
Okay, ma'am.
noun? Oh. Yes? Akshaya, did you understand the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Akshaya. Thank you, dear. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Next, I am going to ask Pragati. Pragati, I can hear you now. You can talk. What is meant by a pronoun? Pragati.
Ma'am.
Pragati. So, what is meant by a pronoun? Can you tell us? Pragati, can you hear me? Pragati, can you hear me? Pragati? Pragati, can you hear me? Pragati.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Pragati.
Yeah, Pragati, you can answer.
Can you hear me? What is meant by a pronoun?
Place of the noun.
Places, things are called pronoun.
Describing noun called pronoun.
Okay. Okay, can you tell example of a pronoun?
And etc.
Can you tell an example of a pronoun? Pragati, can you tell an example of a pronoun? There is lot of noise disturbances. Pragati, please make sure you listen the class. Okay, thank you, Pragati. Pavani.
Yes, ma'am. Lakshya ready?
Okay, Lakshya ready.
Yeah, it's Lakshya. Lakshya?
Okay, Lakshya. Wait, I'll unmute you. Lakshya, I unmuted you. Please tell me what is meant by a pronoun.
The word that is used in place of a noun in a pronoun.
You just read this definition that you see on the screen. Can you explain it to me? What exactly?
Pronoun is a word.
What is it? Okay. Why we use a pronoun? Why do we use a pronoun?
Instead of noun.
Okay. So, I am giving you an example. Can you change the noun into a pronoun? Try. Give it a try. Okay. So, Lakshya is a pretty girl. Lakshya likes to dance. Can you turn your name into a pronoun?
Ma'am.
Yes.
What, ma'am?
I am telling you an example with your name. Okay. You should change your name into a pronoun. Lakshya is a pretty girl. Lakshya likes to dance.
Lakshya is a pretty girl. She likes to dance.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Lakshya. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So I guess you people are clear with the definition of pronoun. That is very important. If anybody still did not understand pronoun means, please ask me. Okay. If you didn't, I can see. Okay, Jonas. So I can see ma'am, me. I don't understand whether you don't understand the concept or just you want to tell. Okay, sorry, I can't give everyone a chance. We have limited time. But if you don't understand, please ask me. Who is this? Ilan. Ilan don't understand. Okay, Ilan, click at Q&A option. I will unmute you. Ilan, click at Q&A option. Okay. Ilan, I unmuted you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Ilan?
இது உட்காந்து சாப்பிடலாமா? ஏதாவது சொல்லுவாங்களா?
See, listen, pay attention. Please. Ilan, can you turn on your video as well? Yes. Okay, I can see you, dear. Now tell me what is meant by a noun?
Name of anything.
Anything or only thing?
Human.
Okay.
Thing.
Okay.
Vehicle.
Okay. Vehicle is a thing. Okay. Okay.
That's all, ma'am.
Animals? No. Animals and places.
Okay.
Do you understand, Ilan? Name of a thing, person, animal or places. Even places are nouns. Okay. So Ilan is a noun. Right? Ilan is your name. Ilan is a noun. Am I right, Ilan? Can you tell me an example of another one noun?
Ilan is like to play with his friends.
No, dear. Name of a noun. Name of a. You told name of a person. You tell a name of an animal.
Name of places.
What? Can you give me an example of noun of an animal?
Ilan's noun.
Ilan is a noun. Ilan is a name of a person. Can you tell a name of an animal? Like a lion, tiger. How much animals are there?
Lion.
Very good. Can you tell the noun of a place?
A school.
Very good, Ilan. So there are lots of nouns like this, right? So instead of
Yes,
telling
ma'am.
a noun again and again and again, we will use pronoun. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. For example, cat is a fluffy animal. Cat is so sweet. Cat is a pet animal. So instead of using cat again and again, what word we can use?
Eat.
Very good. So it is a pronoun. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now do you understand, Ilan?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So children, I hope when I am explaining to these children, I hope everyone understood well. When the class is happening, please okay. Now so this is pronoun. So that class I showed you some examples of pronouns. Manav, I unmuted you, Manav. Can you read these pronouns for me? Can you read the sentence for me? First sentence.
I, you, he, she, and it.
Refer to
Refer to and refers.
one person.
One person.
Okay. Okay, Manav. Thank you. So, thank you, Manav. So, I, you, he, she, and it. Note these words, children. These words refer to one person. One person means singular. Am I right? You have learned singular and plural in your previous classes. In class 1 you have learned singular and plural. Singular means only one thing, place or animal, only one noun is a singular noun, and more than one noun is a plural noun. So these pronouns I, you, he, she and it refer to one person. So it is a singular pronoun. Okay? And Varnika,
Yes, ma'am.
Varnika, can you read the second sentence?
We, you, they refer to more than one person.
Very good. So we, you, they are plural pronouns because there is more than one person. And see, you can see you on singular pronoun as well as plural pronoun. For singular also we use you, plural also we use you. Okay, thank you Varnika. Now, some pronouns are used in the naming part of a sentence. Some pronouns are used in the telling part of a sentence. So be careful while reading a sentence. You can find a pronoun anywhere in a sentence. And see, they have given singular pronouns that comes in a naming part and plural pronouns that comes in a naming part, as well as singular pronouns that can be seen in the telling part and plural pronouns that can be seen in the telling part. Okay. Come on children, those who want to talk, please click at Q&A option. I can unmute you easily. Rohan Karthik, I have unmuted you. Rohan, can you read the singular pronoun that comes in the naming part?
Yes, ma'am. I,
Yes.
she. Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I, he, she, you, it.
Okay, thank you dear. Thank you so much. Thank you Rohan. So we will see some examples. I is a pronoun, right? This is just the examples I made up. This is not in your book. Just you can create your own examples as well. Okay, if you know your own example, you can let me know in the chat box. I will unmute you. I am an amazing person. So I is the pronoun and it comes in the naming part. He took my pencil. He is the pronoun, it comes in the naming part. She is my best friend. She is the pronoun, it comes in the naming part. Okay, Crimson. Okay, now Crimson is going to tell me an example. Crimson, please click at Q&A option. You are beautiful. You is the pronoun, which comes in a telling part. Naming part. It is my bag. It is a pronoun which comes in the naming part. So here all the pronouns come in the naming part. I can't see Crimson in the Q&A queue. Kindly click at Q&A option if you want to talk, Crimson. Okay. Now, Pragati. Are you listening, Pragati? Yes, Pragati. Can you read the plural pronouns in the naming part? Please read it. You. Very good. Thank you, Pragati. Thank you so much. So, we, they, you are plural. So, what is meant by plural? Come on, let me know in the chat box. Everyone type. Type what is meant by plural. I just want to make sure you are all remember what is the meaning of plural. No, Someone has just told me plural is one. It's not one. Ilan, plural is not one, Ilan. Sai Darshan. No, wrong answer, Sai Darshan. Plural is more than one. Not just one, more than one. 2, 3, 4, etc. 2 or more. Okay, children? Samriti, please don't send unwanted emojis. Deepika, Ilan, 100. Okay, Ilan, it's more than 2. Okay. Okay, more than 1, I mean. It's 2 or more. Okay, children, very good. So, plural is, so we represent more than one people. Similarly, they, you all represent more than one people. Crimson, I unmuted you.
Ma'am.
Yes, can you tell me some
example?
Yeah, please tell me.
Book.
Book is a noun. See, can you see the screen? You can see the plural pronouns. That comes in the naming part. Can you read it for me? Yes.
We, they, you.
Okay, can you make an example out of these words? Any one word. Come on, give it a try. Right or wrong? Give it a try.
Person.
It will be good.
Person.
Make a sentence, dear. Try to make a sentence. For example, we are friends. We is a plural pronoun that comes in the naming part. They is a plural pronoun that comes in the naming part. They are good dancers. You is also a plural pronoun used in this sentence in the naming part. You are a good community. We learned about community, right? Group of people. So you are a good community. So can you make some examples like this?
We are in the team.
Very good. High five, Crimson. Very good. Good, Crimson. I'm so happy.
They are another team.
Okay, good. Superb. Okay, thank you, Crimson. That is one. Okay.
You have a good bag.
Okay, that. Okay. Actually, it looks like a singular pronoun. You can be used as a singular pronoun and a plural pronoun. Okay. Anyway, you well tried. Superb. Thank you, Crimson. Okay. Next, telling part has the singular pronouns that can be used in the telling part are Aksha. I am unmuting you. Aksha, please read the singular pronouns that can be used in the telling part. Me.
Jesus,
Me, you,
no,
Her.
பக்கத்துல இருக்காது அப்படியே படி.
me, him, her, you, it.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Aksha. So, these pronouns come in the telling part. Be careful, it won't come in the naming part. Teacher asked me to say the prayer. The judge announced him as a winner. The award was given to her. So here me is a pronoun, him is a pronoun, her is a pronoun. Okay? Thank you, Aksha. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Aksha is the name, right?
Yes.
Thank you, Aksha. Thank you so much. Okay. Next. So plural pronouns that comes in the telling part are us, them, you. These are more than one people that is used in the telling part. They told us to arrange the books. Us is a pronoun. The principal was talking about them. Them is a pronoun. So this is just an example. Nafisa is a good rugby player. She is a pronoun, is also good in studies. Sarala, Preetham and I went to the park. We had a good time. Minnie and I met our parents. They gave us some books. Irfan can paint well. He can also write poems. Here the underlined words are pronouns. Okay? Some are coming in the naming part. Some are used in the telling part. Okay? So children, today I have a work for you. In page number 39, 40 and 41, there is a worksheet. So I will share the PDF. I will share the PDF with you. Okay. There you have to underline the pronouns and circle the nouns that they talk about. In the sentence below, there might be more than one, underline the pronouns and circle the nouns that they talk about in the sentence below. There might be more than one pronoun in some sentences. One has been done for you. Look, this is a good plan. So plan is a noun. Let us do it. It is a pronoun. So identify these nouns and pronouns and circle the nouns, underline the pronouns. I will share the PDF in the Google Classroom. Please use Google Classroom. We don't use groups, WhatsApp groups hereafter. We will be using Google Classroom, and I will post the answers later. And also please notice the due date for the worksheet. No need to hurry up or anything. You can take your time, notice the due date and submit before the due date. And you have, after you get the answer key, refer the answer key once. After that you submit your answers. The second one is circle the pronouns in the sentences. The first one is the teacher asked us if we did our homework. Us and we are pronouns. Okay. Use pronouns to replace the word. So all the other things you have to do it by yourself. Just use your brain, think and do it. If you have any doubts, you are always welcome to ask me and clarify it. Use pronouns to replace the words in bold and rewrite the sentences. One has been done for you. Ashok is very punctual. Ashok comes to school on time. See, instead of using this name Ashok once again, you can use the word he. So copy the sentence, write it, and use he instead of the bold name. So he is the same case in other exercises as well. Next one is read the given passage. Replace the underlined nouns with pronouns wherever necessary and rewrite the passage. See, you have to underline the nouns with pronouns and you have to copy this paragraph as it is. Okay, children, the time is over. Page number, let me show you, please wait. Page number 39, 40, 41 in your textbook 8. So thank you, children. That's all for today's class. Hope you learned what is meant by a pronoun. Those who don't know what is meant by a pronoun also, I hope you got a good idea. If you still don't understand, please ask me. Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. See you next class.
Yes, thank you, Amrita ma'am. Thank you so much. So, yeah, ma'am. Okay, now children, please mute your call. Let's quickly finish off our attendance. Once again, I repeat, I request everyone to mute your call. Let's quickly finish off our attendance.
On page number 39, 40.
Okay, thank you. So, let me take the attendance. Once again, repeating, please mute your call. Please don't unmute your call. Samriti, Rohan, please mute your call, dear. Okay. Okay, thank you. So, Adrita?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Adrita. Akshay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Aksha. Rohan, kindly mute your call, Rohan.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Akshaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshaya, thank you.
Ma'am.
Ilan, what Ilan?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, Adrita, you can leave. Time, Akshay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, dear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Sai.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Crimson? Yeah, Sai, you can leave. Those who gave your attendance, you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
bye-bye.
Crimson. Homework class.
Sai?
No.
Sai, I can't get you, Sai.
Ma'am, we have
Yes?
to do the homework in the homework class or no?
You asking about your English assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Ma'am has given you some time, okay? So please refer the due date and you can finish according to that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
No
Bye.
need to hurry up. Yeah, okay, dear. Bye.
Ma'am, can I leave? Ma'am, which time we have
Yeah.
to join that class?
Next class you will be having by 11:20 as usual. Okay?
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Bye. Crimson, are you there, Crimson?
Yes.
Okay, Crimson. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Crimson. Thank you. Ilan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ilan. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Fazia?
Ma'am, bye.
Yes, yes. Bye, dear. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, Simpson. Bye. Fazia?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Fazia. Thank you. Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Siddharth. Thank you. Moksha Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Moksha, thank you. Jonah Suresh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jonas. Okay, Jonas, thank you. Kavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kavya. Lakshya?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Lakshya. Lohit? Lohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Lohit. Thank you. Manasa? Manasa, are you there? Okay. Nivan?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Nivan. Purnesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
sorry
super,
to
Purnesh.
interrupt, but
Yeah, ma'am.
Manasa was present during the class.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes,
I can
ma'am.
see her name. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Pragati?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Pragati. Thank you. Ranav?
Ma'am, I can mute. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Pragati, you can
Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay, Ranav. Thank you. Rohan?